Hello and welcome to the Coding School with me, A.S. Sharpev. In this series you get topics easy explained and that in less than 5 minutes. Today we cover the question, how to find and remove duplicate rows in a DataTable. Think about the following real-world use case. That makes it easier for you to understand it. Imagine you have an application that processes customer data. Sometimes, due to errors in data entry or integration from multiple sources, you might end up with duplicate entries. Using a method like RemoveDupicatesRecords ensures that your customer data table maintains only unique entries, which is crucial for accurate reporting and data integrity. So the answer for this question and the solution is the RemoveDupicatesRecords method. This is a concise and efficient way to clean up a data table by removing duplicate rows using LINQ. This not only simplifies the task of data cleaning but also leverages the powerful querying capabilities of LINQ to make the code more readable and maintainable. So let's jump to Visual Studio to see it in real time. I created already a small layout for our test. Just a button and a data grid view. That's all. In the load method from our form, I created a DataTable with 7 columns, and fill it with several rows. This is loaded at startup directly to the data grid view, and I also set a new font for a better view. Nothing more. So you see already that there are several rows are filled with the same data that we want to cover with our new method. But first let's start the tool and see the result. In this example, and because of not much data, it's easy to see that there are several unique rows in our table. But normally you have a much more data, and so it could lead to issues during the calculation in several cases. So let's create our new method to prevent that in our button click event. This line ensures that the method proceeds only if there are rows in the data table. As enumerable converts the data table into an enumerable of data row, enabling LINQ operations. Distinct data row comparer. Default uses the default comparer to find distinct rows based on all column values. LINQ's distinct method is powerful and simplifies the process of removing duplicates. Copy to data table converts the filtered enumerable collection back into a data table. This creates a new data table containing only the unique rows. If duplicates were removed, the new data table is returned. If the original data table was empty, it is returned as is. So you see how easy it is to prevent duplicate rows using this method. Just use it for each load to the data grid view or before any calculation for the data in the data table. Don't miss any further content on this channel, or let me know your next wish. I am happy to guide you through this journey and share my knowledge with you. There are also a wide range of other content on my channel that could help you on your way to a developer in all directions. So check it out.